What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. We finally have the Google Pixel Watch 5. I went ahead and picked up the 45mm, and this one is in satin Pyrite aluminum casing with the olive active band. So I'm excited to try this out. Obviously, I have the Pixel Watch 4 also in 45mm, and I'm going to be hopefully using this band on the Pixel Watch 5. And I also do have the Fitbit Air, so if you do want to see a separate video or review on that, let me know in the comments down below. But let's get right into the Pixel Watch 5. And I have been using the Pixel 11 Pro at the time of this recording for 2 days now, so for 48 hours. And I gotta say, great phone. Let's peel that right there. And I had this issue with the previous video. There we go. I don't want to ruin this top part, but if I cannot get it out, then I may have to. Oh no, we got it. We got it. There we go. You guys see this in real time, like I'm struggling to remove this. Oh my goodness. I just don't want to ruin this specific casing, so I can put it on. I know it's a plastic piece, but whatever. Anyway, so the big thing with the Pixel Watch 5 is obviously, we still have the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2, so it's not like the Snapdragon Wear Elite that I would have liked to have seen. So we got 2 slots right here also. And then we have a bump, I guess, to 3 gigs of RAM. So that's good to see. And then doubling storage, I believe. There we go. Let's see what we have here. So usually with these we get more stuff. We got the paperwork, obviously. And then the watch I know is there. And then here, I believe we have the bands. Ooh. So we got the 3 bands, little different sizes as well. So let's go ahead and remove that, just like that. Put that aside. Let's put this aside. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Doesn't look like it, so we'll put that aside as well. And then we have the watch. Bam. Ooh, that looks clean. I like this design. Ooh, okay. Here's the thing, and I like this color because last year I think I went with the moonstone, and this year I chose like that olive color. It's kind of like a dark gold or washed out gold, but it looks really nice. Very similar in design, obviously, to the Pixel Watch 4. But I'm gonna put that aside for now, and also the charging mechanism is still the same, which I actually do appreciate. And actually, let's boot this up while we're checking out what else we got in the box. So, obviously, here we do have the charging puck. All of that is in here. I don't really need it because I already have the charging puck. So there is that. Let's put that aside. Let's bring this back. Obviously, the big thing here is with obviously, as you can see, Gemini intelligence. So we get a small and a large band. Obviously, for me, I'm going to have to go with the large band. And then we also do get blood pressure trend tracking, which is supposed to be coming very soon. Insulin resistant trend tracking. It's great. Breathing emergency detection, daily readiness score, sleep breathing, quality tracking. Obviously, it's got GPS tracking. It is running Wear OS 7. And yeah, I'm excited to try this out and just see how much more smoothly it performs. And then obviously slightly larger battery, I believe. And I want to see how well the battery life is, because I gotta tell you, the battery life on the Pixel Watch 4 is also really good. But same design overall, same weight, nothing too crazy, same display. The battery estimates, I guess, are the same. So if that's a thing, we're gonna get some pretty good battery life. But let me go ahead and kind of clip these on, because they're pretty easy to kind of well, there we go. Just clicks like that. This also should click. Each watch is different. So like this, I'm coming from the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, so this is different. Let's pull out my Pixel 11 Pro. Let's change that to download and open the Pixel Watch app. All right, everybody, and I am back with the initial setup of the Pixel Watch 5. Here's one of the new watch faces. I actually like it. I think I'm going to just change the colors a little bit, but you do have two little widgets here. Just default. One is for Google Gemini, as you can see right here, and one is for exercises. And then everything else, like it's just has the time and that's all. Now, what I usually do is actually, for the first time, I realized that you can enable developer options. So I went ahead and changed like the animation and transition to 0.5x, so it feels much smoother in that regards. But yeah, this is how it looks. I kind of wish, again, it had the Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, the highest end, but hopefully, maybe Pixel might release a Pixel Watch Ultra someday, who knows? But until then, this is the watch to go. And aesthetically, I really like the Pixel Watch in general. I've been using the Pixel Watch since the first one, and every year I have gotten the latest one. So I will be comparing these two. If you want to see a detailed comparison between the two, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, it'll probably end up being like a Instagram Reel or a YouTube Short or something of that nature. But yeah, I'm excited to try out this Pixel Watch 5 alongside, which kind of sounds, a little awkward, but alongside the Fitbit Air. So stay tuned for that. And this is the 45 millimeter. This is how it looks on the wrist. Very comfortable, by the way. There we go. Honestly, I love the look of this watch face. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this watch face, just change up the colors and maybe the widgets, but other than that, the background is great. Yeah, I'm going to change this watch band. I usually like using something that's more like, I can use this during, workouts, but other than that, I think I'm going to be using a Milanese loop and probably getting a stainless steel at some point. But for now, this is the setup. Pixel Watch 5 and Pixel 11 Pro. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. Definitely be sure to check out this wallpaper pack. It's called Lava Flow. This one's called Lava Flow. I have another one called Aura Layers, and I am coming out with a newer one come September, so stay tuned. But that's been it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next episode.